my name is Shadow and today I'm going to do an unboxing video. This is a package from Fabri Amorum and I ordered their decorated Scottish basket hilt sword. Man, this is a hard carton and this knife is very sharp, I must say. Holy! Thank you, Tinker. Ooh, this looks nice. This looks cute. Very cute. We've got this foil here around. I hate this stuff. Especially when you are preparing meal for the work. Oh yes, I'm really gonna enjoy this. And here it is, the basket hilt sword decorated from Fabri Amorum. Oh yes, now I'm really feeling like a Highland lord. It weighs about 1.4 kilograms and has an edge of 3 millimeters. And I usually tend to buy from Fabri Amorum since I know their swords are nearly indestructible. Here a little close-up for the basket hilt. The overall hand protection is very high, as you can see. I think there's not much coming through this kind of hilt, except if you're stepping through the gaps, of course. It has a nice grip that I can grasp with my hand. Some swords I newly bought had some narrow grip and I disliked it, but this one here is pretty decent. It's a very basic brown wrapped grip. The blade has nice fullers in it, so it looks very much appealing for me. And yes, I tend to be a dick at fighting sometimes by using some dirty tricks, so well, I don't have to say anything, do I? Well, I'm very excited to try it out someday, and I think this sword and I are going to be very good friends. So, have a nice day, folks!